In this video, we will create beautiful painting in one of the most amazing fluid art technique, Dutch pour. We will use our hair dryer and so much more. Stay tuned, you will not be disappointed. Hey guys, I'm Zlata Rabinovich, an artist with over 20 years experience, but the main thing, I'm an expert in fluid art. By the way, if this is the first time that you on this channel, go ahead and check other videos like how to mix the paint or what other techniques are available and much more. If you like it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share. By doing this, you will let me know that you really appreciate what I do and I will create way more videos just for you. But right now, let me show something new and cool. Are you ready? I am. Let's start. First of all, let's fill the cup. We'll start with white. And then my favorite turquoise, metallic, and some blue, phthalo blue, very cool color, love it. And let's add a little bit green like that one, just bring some light blue, and a little bit yellow. Here we go, got everything here. Very cool looking cup. Okay guys, now we would need to put some white and blue. To spread it, I'm using my handy dandy spatula. I know I should clean it, but you know what? I kind of like that effect when it's all colors mixed. So I'm not even waiting for cleaning and doing this right stuff. I'm just spreading it. I like that, so I will keep it. Let's put our cup. And we can go like that. We don't have to stay in one area. We can spread it. We can really have fun with this. Yay! We need to add more white for the pillow and maybe more blue. We did a little bit the unconventional way, but it will be fun. Just on a low, I am pushing the paint to cover. You see, I'm on a low, just covering my paint. Now from this side, again, just covering. Now, what I usually like to do is to take my torch and we just go like that. Looking for the sails. Look at this, isn't it gorgeous? Wow. Wow. I like that. I really do. I think it's really cool. Let's add a little bit more yellow to it. Wow. Look what we got. It's amazing. Love it. Yeah, let's just add a little bit on it dark. We need to cover it up. And I can go with higher speed on this. Just like that. Yes. What do you think, guys? Now it's just a torch. I'm so happy, guys, you got to see that. We went a little bit unconventional way, but you know, when you really have a feeling of how everything should look, everything will fall in a way you want. And if something doesn't work, don't be afraid to add the colors you like. Like this time, I decided just add separately the cup because I felt we might need that extra special. Oh, by the way, the bubbles on the white, we definitely don't need them. Yes, I hope, guys, you love it. Because I do, I totally do. So guys, what do you think? Was I right when I said that it will be an amazing video? I hope you did enjoy whole the process. By the way, you know, it's art therapy, so even you didn't work with me, just by watching this video, you already should feel so much more relaxed. But if you want to try it, absolutely go ahead and do your best. I know you will create amazing painting as well. And if you like that video, please don't forget, like, subscribe for the channel, share it, and hopefully I will see you next time in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.